Very good.
Mummy and Daddy could have joined us today.
देखो यार.
Hey guys, welcome back to Life with the Sequeras. So it's Christmas, so Merry Christmas to each and every one of you. And we're gonna start off by opening our Amazon parcel. I have got baby a new gift, and her Christmas present is actually an OTG. She always wanted one to bake cakes and to make muffins and whatnot. So finally, I bought that and gave it to her. And Mummy, Daddy, and Preeti and Anu are visiting our place, so they're also gonna come. They're gonna reach in a few moments from now, maybe 15 minutes from now they'll reach. So बघू आजचा दिवस कसा जातो.
Very good. Happy baby.
Yeah.
Finally, I somehow तुटका फुटका but finally मी marzipan बनवलं. ना baby? How is the taste?
I will come to know once I have that.
Hey,
No.
eat and see. Take.
No, you make it. I don't like that. No. मैं आफा ऐसे नहीं खाएगा, मैं पूरा खा के ही बोलेगा.
I wanted to make those color ones, but ठीक है.
This is your first batch, so it's fine. So baby is making marzipan, and in some time from now, my in-laws are coming over, and apparently they have got something tasty to have. So let's see what it's gonna be. And of course, my sister-in-laws also are coming. They did a foolish thing. They came in the other day, they stayed for a day, and then they left, only to come today. I'm like, you should have stayed for Christmas here. You could have gone for Mass together. Mummy and Daddy could have joined us today. Still, I don't know what logic was that to go back and then come again. क्या बोलने का. They also could have got time to spend with Pooja, Hriday. Anyway, we're waiting for them to come right now. Charlie and Coco are kind of punished. They have been naughty babies. So they are punished. They are outside. One is sleeping there. One is here. Apparently, they have been playing with the Christmas decorations, which something I and Pooja don't like. Anybody, trying to spoil it and all. And though they are cats are being cats, we can't say anything to them. But we're keeping them in the balcony for the next one day at least. They come inside, sometimes they play with us, and then again they're back the moment they touch the Christmas tree. So that's how it is with cats. And what else, baby? What else have you made today?
I have made cake for the first time, and cupcakes are inside. This.
And
और भी अभी बहुत कुछ बनाना बाकी है.
cupcakes, in case you haven't seen it properly. Can't see like it, but ठीक है, manageable. मैंने 3-4 दिन से लेमन टी नहीं पिया है.
I'll make ना अभी.
Hmm.
बेबू यार तुझे पता है कितना बिजी था स्केड्यूल. But I'll make.
Okay. I wanted to have lemon tea in the morning, but everything was filled here. Couldn't do
I was
anything.
baking तभी यार.
Hmm. Hold the down part and hold that and pull. Pull.
इधर आते होंगे खोल दरवाजा पूर्ण.
Hello.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas. ये बाल काटा क्या?
Yes.
हाँ मस्त दिख रहा है.
Thank you.
Hello, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
It's looking so pretty. Chalo, Merry Christmas.
डैडी का शर्ट अच्छा है.
Hi.
Hello.
Christmas. Hi.
अरे मेरी क्रिसमस.
Merry Christmas.
आपकी बेटी का कमाल
कमाल.
और ये दोनों बेटियां भी.
Very good. इधर इधर रखो ऊपर.
हाँ ठेवा इथे ठेवा.
बाबू तुझं ते डिस्टर्ब नाही त्याला केलेले.
नाही ठेवा नाही.
अजून चालू आहे डेकोरेशनचं.
नाही. थांबा.
हाय. कितना टाइम के बाद मिल रहा है.
हो गया ना 1 महीने के बाद ना.
1 महीने के बाद ज्यादा है ना.
हम्म.
लगता है हम लोग कभी मिले थे लास्ट अपना मेरे बर्थडे के लिए. हाँ.
हाँ नवंबर.
Thank you.
Where is my cap?
For you.
Hey,
थँक
where is
यू.
my cap? For me?
त्याच्यामध्ये ठेव. हे बघ मम्मी बाबूने बनवलंय पॉटरी क्लास मध्ये.
अच्छा, thank you.
अरे वाह, this is so nice, Bonu.
सो परफेक्ट इट वाज. मस्त बनाया
आणि
उसने.
कॉटन ना वेट होतं.
Nice, huh?
Keep in that.
Very nice.
मेहनत केली आहे मम्मी मी.
Should I tell him? Should I tell him, Mama?
नाही निघत त्याला.
टेस्ट एंड सी हाउ इट इज.
Oh my God, this is so pretty.
चल बेबी.
I had for you. Give it to them.
They said give it to
अरे
Rich
नहीं give it
first.
to them. अच्छा.
Don't यार, today
मेरा डे तो ऐसे थोड़ी है. मतलब क्रिसमस सेलिब्रेट
चल I have to make more.
अरे नो let daddy
Well,
have.
yeah,
Eldest first. Daddy वाला first.
हाँ घ्या पप्पा.
Color,
which color do you want?
सब small ही है.
This is smallest. Okay. Thank you.
खाऊन तर बघा टेस्ट.
नहीं पहले आप.
तुम्ही खाऊन
अरे
बघा.
हम लोग आपके लिए बनाया. नहीं डैडी पहले आप खाओ ना.
टेस्ट.
वेज है.
हाँ वेज.
Very good.
ये भी तो मम्मी.
Thank you.
मम्मी को मीठा पसंद है.
ना वीडियो रहता है ना.
वेज है.
वीडियो रहता है.
Stop. Tasty. Very tasty. Kaju.
काजू भी है. ये है वो.
How is it?
It's better than what you get outside.
हाँ of course. काजू कतली है. प्रीति.
wow.
हाँ
That's very good. पूरा काजू का ही टेस्ट है.
अरे हाँ.
I love it.
I think it's better.
I second what mommy said. Better than anything in the market.
अच्छा है.
आता मामा
I feed you. म्हणजे बाबा माझ्या बाबूचं उंच तोंड झालंय का? मम्मी थांब.
असेच का.
थांब. चला आहे.
अरे
हाँ.
थांब.
काय सिक्रेट सांटाचं गिफ्ट नंतर
ते
आहे.
नंतर.
ना, हे खाऊ आहे ग.
चहा बनवते ना.
हाँ.
तुला कसं वाटलं?
सिक्रेट सांगतो नाही तो पण.
बाबा हे खाऊ आहे सिक्रेट सेंटर नाही
खाऊ आहे.
Just वो sugar has to be a
बाबा,
bit
हे
more
खुलं ठेव ना कुठेतरी.
melted.
मैं कैथलिक बन गई.
Conversion के लिए we'll go now to church.
बाबूला पण दे हा.
What's happening here?
So Pooja was asking me to have puris.
I was not asking. Look at mommy's face. Mommy was asking that Rich will eat puri or what? I said ask, so she didn't come out to ask. You want puri or chapati?
Puri, wait, I don't eat chapati.
What lie?
It will take more than the cook.
राइस है ना?
हाँ.
हाँ, राइस है.
Rice,
Pav.
no pav.
लेके आओ क्या?
नहीं.
So rice and puri or rice and chapati?
हाँ, जो भी, मैं तो राइस खाएगा.
हाँ मग chapati चालू. हे काढायचं.
चपाती में नहीं खाते.
Okay, we have some puri rolls.
Whether if you keep a heavy thing on top, it will fall only, no? Put the Santa Claus down. Get it down.
अरे वाह. अभी इसको इधर ट्री के पास रखते हैं.
हाँ then we need presents also downside. Then we feel like. I think we will do.
ठीक हो त्याला बांधायला पाहिजे बाबांना.
So guys, we are at the shop. We are buying some gifts for the family. For Hriday is in for a treat for sure. And obviously we have Secret Santa planned. But the thing is, we have kept a budget of $100. $100 में क्या मिलते हैं? कुछ नहीं मिलते. So then we decided $100 का we'll give something. But over and above also we will give something from our end. So that's what is happening right now. What it is, everything you'll come to know once they open the gifts at home. So show it to you then. इसमें बहुत
अच्छा इसका ये ऐसा है. ओह.
See now, show down, no? See, yeah? I'll show you if I go, this is the steering. If I want to go front and back. This is front, this is back. This is the steering. Go back, go front. Nice, no? But what I bought is better.
Not telling me only what you got.
Of course, I will not tell you, no?
नहीं खेलेगा ना थोड़ा आई का ठंडा ठीक है ये हो गया डन आपका और ये वाला देखने का आपको ये ब्राउन टेप दिखाइए ना ये वाला ब्राउन टेप
वो बुक भी बाकी है.
वो कर दे नहीं
I already said what was one gift.
What?
Book. संजय लिखो. ये हो गया.
He's not your friend.
सीक्रेट सांता में क्या है?
चलो.
Well, it's mixed. किसका किसका बताओ. You went tell me and see it.
चलो.
चलो. Have rice. Baby, you say what all is there?
आलू मटर.
Not something that I would want.
Yay! Mutton!
चपाती.
Okay, again. That I'm gonna have.
दाल. And your
हाँ, ये this is chicken. Spoon किधर है? दिखा नहीं का ना ऐसा.
चिकन
कोरी रोटी चाहिए रहेगा इसके लिए.
हाँ
है क्या कोरी रोटी?
उसके लिए आंबोली जाना पड़ेगा.
ये चलो लेट्स
चल चल
त्याच्यातले चमचे आणले नाही. 2 तिथेच ठेवलेत. आणतो.
मम्मी was setting up with me.
No, no, no.
कोणाची कुठली
बाबूला आवडला
How is the food?
Very tasty.
मम्मी
व्हेरी नाईस
मम्मी ने चिकन बनाया बट मम्मी इज ईटिंग वेज.
मस्त आहे.
बाबू कसं आहे जेवण?
Mama, can you get that aloo matar?
या गिविंग. बाबू loves aloo matar. Anu, how is the food? Baby?
मस्त आहे, tasty.
Papa?
इट्स व्हेरी गुड टेस्टी होम मेड ना
So first thing, gifts. All the gifts are here. Let me just show you. Go. So guys, this is where I end the vlog. In case you want to know what we actually got in Secret Santa and what we gifted our family members and what we received gifts, you need to check our next vlog. So meet us there. That's what I would say. So असा होता आमचा अर्धा व्लॉग. हा व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, कमेंट करा, शेअर करा आणि आमच्या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. बाय.